Quisiera.
Quisiera means I would like. It's a more polite way of saying quiero. Quisiera.
Quisiera.
Quisiera. Hello vlog! We are visiting our second apartment option today because the first one fell through. Didn't fall through. What's the right word? So I'm back with Janica, Instagram, Lily, Instagram, and your girl Ian. Our first apartment option didn't work out because we were lost pretty much. Like, we tried to get there, but then it was on a different line. So we would have a hard time. Rude. We would have a hard time getting from our house to our school, so it's not worth it. So we didn't go in along.
We have to have two different metro cards.
We can't afford that. So this is the lift from the first place. How does this work? How does it work? Oh. Okay. Oh my god, why did ground floor? Hello, vlog update. We're outside the apartment that we were supposed to rent, but they have no furnishing. They don't have furniture.
But it was nice.
It was nice.
And the area is nice also.
But then the landlady would rather have someone who would stay like 2 to 3 years. So we're like, okay, maybe the next one. So now we're just out here trying to call every single ad we can find that's renting out a space. Like I've been calling random numbers and I can't even speak Spanish.
That's the thing.
That's the thing. That's our problem.
Yeah,
we can't speak Spanish. No hablamos español.
They usually hang up when you don't speak in Spanish.
Yeah, or they panic.
Yeah.
The way we panic.
No, actually we panic more than they do.
So let's reenact. Hola. ¿Es tu piso disponible?
Ah, sí.
¿Habla inglés? No. No. And then we cry.
Before we cry, there's a long pause.
Oh yeah, there's a long pause. And then, oh, I know how to ask, can we visit today? I can say, ¿podemos visitar ahora? Or hoy? And then after that, they say something we don't understand.
Super long and super fast.
And then long pause.
Long pause.
And then tears. And then tears. And then they hang up. This is so hard. I need myself a Spanish friend. Hello, I'm back with an update. We're in the nicer part of Madrid. Probably not gonna find any apartments here, but we're gonna eat, so that's fine. Janix, what's the good news? Pero baka hindi rin pala good.
Well, it's right here. I think it's meant to be. I mean, right?
Let's see if we can afford it. Because they're renting out 2 habitaciones. Okay, update. We can't afford it.
It's 1,300 for 2.
Yeah, it's 1,300 euros for 2 people, but that's like
you're paying for the
view. You're paying for the view for this neighborhood.
Like, look at this.
It's beautiful. But yeah, that's like 400 euros outside of our budget. So, I mean, I'm not gonna pay
400 euros!
No wonder why we can't afford it.
I mean, look at this!
Yeah, it's beautiful. Billy, where did you bring us?
The food place.
Yeah.
The greatest food place on earth.
Why did you bring us here? Now there's food everywhere and I don't know what to eat. Okay, food montage.
Vamos a bailar.
And I got croquetas. These are jamon iberico croquetas, which is why it's €1.50 each. Let us figure out if this is worth it. Okay, it's very malambot na lang. Oh, what do you want? Worth it. Okay, I don't feel bad anymore. Okay, I found my friends again, and they bought Hey guys! Okay, update. So we did go to this apartment, which was like €400 above our... We checked it out. It was beautiful. We were so close to getting it. But they don't want us because it has to be a minimum of one year. But we're staying for 9 months.
Oh, that's another problem. It's like minimum 1 year lag.
Yeah, so another complication. But that's okay. We'll make it. We'll find a place.
Before Friday, hopefully.
Before Friday, or else we'll be gone from our Airbnb and we'll be homeless.
We'll probably live in the airport.
Hello, it's 6 p.m. and we're still here.
Taking pictures.
Taking pictures. We've been contacting a lot of different landlords and stuff, but most of them are either taken or they need a year of... What else did we encounter? They're just not available. They just don't want us.
Just not answering.
Just not answering.
Hey, hello, we're gonna pay you.
Don't you want our money?
Ajo, cebolla es onion. Ajo es...
Garlic.
Aceite de oliva.
Hello, it's 10:21 on the same day. We still don't have an apartment, but we had a lovely dinner because our Airbnb host cooked gazpacho for us. Made gazpacho for us. Current situation, there's a new apartment 20 minutes ago, posted 20 minutes ago on Idealista. We hope this is the one. Okay, wait, let's film. Rude. Busy.
Feel ko may tumawag agad.
Oh my god, I'm dying. We need to get this. Like, if she asks us to go there first thing in the morning, we'll go there with our money and we'll pay it.
And everything.
Because it's only €700 a month. And it's furnished, fully furnished. I mean, even if it doesn't have Wi-Fi, I don't mind because it's only €700. I mean, divided by 2, that's 350 for both of us, for each of us.
Hola, buenas noches.
¿Es tu
piso
disponible?
Está disponible,
Sí.
¿Podemos visitar mañana?
Mañana voy a estar de 11 de la mañana a 11:30.
¿11? Sí.
¿Vale? ¿Podéis ir a esa hora? ¿Podéis ir mañana a las 11, de 11 a 12:30?
Sí, vale.
Sí, perfecto. Vale.
Okay.
Pues os enseño mañana entonces el piso a esa hora. ¿Vale?
¿Cómo se llama?
¿Cómo me llamo yo, Marta?
Okay. Soy Janica.
¿Puedo tener la dirección?
La dirección es
Okay.
Gracias.
Vale, gracias. Hasta luego. Chao, chao.
Hasta mañana.
Hasta mañana.
Oh my god, I can't believe we booked a visit. Kailan pala i-film? You know how hard that was? That was... It took us maybe... This is probably our 60th listing. We've been texting and... Oh my god, Janica.
Vlogs here.
Yeah, we've been texting and calling and emailing and WhatsApping and even walking to actual apartments and not getting any positive feedback. Oh my god. Please let it be the one.
Please,
11. Did she say 11 a.m.?
Yes, 11 a.m.
Alas 11.
Mañana.
Pag nakuha talaga natin to.
I know.
Congratulations, vlog. You witnessed.
Vlog.
Oh my god, sana please matapos na yung vlog. I really want to post a video saying, we found our apartment. Good morning. Morning vlog. 10:30, 30 minutes before the actual scheduled visit. But we figured we'd come here earlier because a lot of other people are looking for an apartment and we want to beat them. So we'll see. So we saw the apartment and it was perfect. Perfect price, perfect location, perfect everything. Even the rooms were great.
Perfect.
For both of us. But they're looking for someone who would stay longer,
Or like give them a better deal.
we're trying to offer 100 euros more per month, but I don't know if it's gonna make any difference. They have a bunch more people coming in until 12:30 today, so we'll find out maybe either later or tomorrow if they want to give us the deal.
I hope so.
It's that one, the one in the 4th floor. Let's hope we get it. Taking a little break from our apartment hunting, and we're visiting this little Sunday marketplace called El Rastro. Montage. May joke ako.
What?
Magabang kami sa likod.
Game. What?
Sabi ko, sit down. Be humbled.
Gutom lang
Okay
yan.
na? Okay na?
For lunch, we have arroz. Pollo y arroz. Ipan. Hello, we are at Retiro Park. We're meeting up with Garage. Oh my god, they have cheer people. Aline, if you're watching.
Okay, start. Hey, we're taking over Ayn's vlog, and what is happening right now?
I don't know.
She's on a date, on a Tinder date.
Woo! First Tinder date! Wait, ipapost na kaya?
More to come.
Hello, Ayn's vlog.
You're missing Ayn.
Yeah, you're missing this right
The
now.
best churros in town.
Super good.
Super good.
Tumulo siya guys, ang init.
Hola!
Hello, vlog! We're at Plaza, New York. We're eating again. Hi vlog! So, I'm still in Seoul and Garage just left and I just want to show you how beautiful it is here at night. Okay, on my way home. Where are you, Ayn? I hope you're okay. Bye, vlog!
So, I was editing my vlog and then I saw the clips from Janica and Garage's vlog takeover, and I just want to explain something about the Tinder date. It was fine. It was perfectly fine. So I was talking to this guy on Tinder and he was really friendly and he was really helpful, and he asked me out and he basically toured me around the center of Madrid while my friends were still in the area. So Karen, It's all good, we're fine. It was a really, really fun date. He showed me around the center. He was really nice. He paid for dinner. He took me to the Royal Palace and we went to the Crystal Palace. We went around Retiro Park. We had Spanish omelet for dinner, and then we had ice cream after, and that's my new favorite ice cream place in Madrid. We basically walked around the center from like 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. and then after that he brought me back to my train, as in my literal train, back home, and everything was fine. It was a fun little date. Maybe we'll get together soon, I don't know. It's just, okay, yeah, it's weird talking about it on camera. Okay, anyway, that's it for the first part of my apartment hunt. Obviously, I have an apartment now, but I'm gonna be uploading the rest in a separate vlog because this is taking forever. So yeah, that's what happened. I have to see you guys on the next one, and I hope you stay confident. Bye!